Hey everyone, how's it going? So before this video gets started, if you want to save money on gas, if you're still paying full price for gas and you feel like you're still spending too much money on gas, there's a way to get 15 cents off per gallon if you use my code and link in the description down below for an app called Get Upside. Again, if you use my special promo code, you'll get 15 cents off per gallon. All of my friends use it, all of us use it. It's a new app. And I honestly can't believe that more people aren't using it. So if you haven't started yet using it, or at least try it out once and get 15 cents off per gallon. And then for life, you'll get discounts on your gas. And if you can refer a couple of your friends to use your code and link too, you can get up to 99 cents off per gallon, even more. It's crazy. You'll never have to pay full price for gas again. Use the link in the description down below for Get Upside. All right, now let's get on to the video. Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. So today's video, we're talking about a Lyft driver who makes over $4,000 per week. Yes, this is totally legit, totally official, and actually shout out to the Rideshare guy, Himmerich Campbell, for getting this video going too, and another guy, I think his name's Jay Crader, who talked about it on the channel. I just want to share this with you guys. So again, go follow the Rideshare guy for cool news in Rideshare. If you want to see a very tall man talk about Rideshare. He looks pretty tall. But yeah, so today, here we go. I'm just gonna get right into it. I'm gonna share with you guys a screenshot. Before I do, use the link in the description down below for Get Upside if you want to save up to 25 cents per gallon every single time you fill up. My friend, she's 19 years old. She's not an Uber driver, is basically what I was trying to say. This girl that I've been hanging out with, she's really cool. Shout out to you. No, but I actually told her, hey, you know, you should use Get Upside too. I know you don't drive for Uber, but like you buy gas. And she got $4.50 something around there, over $4 cash back from filling up gas. And you know, it was her first time ever. So she's like, yeah, I'm gonna do this, and just put the money in my savings account. So I was like, that's smart. But yeah, anyways, before we, well, no, I'm just gonna get right into it. Here are the screenshots. This guy, $4,225.95. As you can see, this gentleman drove 1 day and 23, well, actually was online for 3 days and 13 minutes. So, 3 days and 13 hours. So 3 times, what, 24, that's, you're talking about, what is that, 78 hours and plus 13 hours. So he's actually online for 91 hours. And then he was book time, he was booked for 24 plus 23 is 47 hours. So 91 hours of online time and 47 booked hours, which is absolutely nuts. I don't recommend doing this, but if you do need some really quick cash, go ahead. If you need to make a lot of money really quick, essentially, if you want to make $4,000 in a week, then you can do this. This is recent too, June 4th, 2020. As you can see, like, basically this is not going to be an attainable goal for the average Joe. But if you're like, for the average Joe Swanson, have you guys seen that show Family Guy? Yeah, better. For the average Joe Swanson, you're probably not going to be able to do this, but if you're like, you know what, I need to buy a car or I need to pay my luxurious rent bill, then, you know, you can go ahead and do this. Ride earnings, $3,269. Tips, $362. Bonuses, $214. Cancellation earnings, $90. That's actually a lot in cancellation earnings. And then streak bonuses, $90. So he actually didn't even make that much in bonuses, but I can guarantee you guys, he probably did make at least a little bit of cash tips, which obviously you can't, you know, add in there. So, you know, he probably made it more like 4,100 bucks. I guarantee he's probably, you know, an extra 50 bucks in cash tips too. Maybe it's a couple free meals at the drive-thru. So let's see what else. Let's see some of the breakdown of each day that we can find. Yeah, so this was May 18th to May 24th. Yeah, that's, oh, this is another week he had. This is a second week, guys. 4,149 bucks. So this guy is doing this week over week. I don't recommend doing this for a long period of time, maybe not for months, but you know, if you want to do this for a couple of weeks, make 10 grand, do it in 3 weeks, maybe 4 weeks, depending if you can actually drive. I mean, essentially what, 91 hours divided by 7, you're looking at over 10 hours per day of driving, for driving Uber. That's a lot of driving. You're gonna start hurting your back there for sure. So anyways guys, that's it for today's video. Use the link down below for Get Upside if you want to save up to 25 cents back per gallon. Cash back in cash for either gift cards or PayPal or checks sent directly to your door. Use Get Upside down below in the link. Thank you guys for watching today's video. Have a great, amazing day. Bye guys.